Hello. In the session, Chicken or Egg, Nature versus Nurture, I will talk about the nature of the anxiety and worry spiral and give an example of it. I will also talk about the genesis of worry and generalized anxiety disorder, the fact that it's about a third genetic, the rest are learned factors or environmental factors. And then finally, I'll talk about the relationship between serotonin, norepinephrine, dopamine, and generalized anxiety, and the fact that many people confuse correlation with causation, and that there are many factors that can affect these neurotransmitters.